Hi Diamond Art Divas. I have another unboxing for you today. It is called Embrace Spirit. It is a square. I will pull you out. I had some extra points that I wanted to use, and I've been looking at this one for a while, and I'm like, oh, I don't know, should I or shouldn't I? The colors, finally in the end, the colors got me. They really got me. So I'm going to open this for you today. If I can get the goodies out of the bottom, right? Come on. Sometimes it gets stuck in there. I hope you don't mind the traffic sounds on the outside. I try to get rid of most of them if I can. It's a little rainy today, so it's hard to get rid of it all. Okay, inside you get a mini sticker that you can put on the end of the box for identification, or you can put in your inventory sheets. I love these little stickers. They come in so handy. We have a toolkit. Most of the toolkits come like this, unless you're ordering a very old kit that is like first generation. Okay, alright, here we go. Alright, it is a square, so you get a very sharp tweezers with a covering on the end. You get a random colored pen and squishy. You get your wax, 2 hearts of Diamond Art Club wax. Very cool. You get a bag of baggies to help you kit up or kit down. You get 2 multi-placers, a 4 and a 7. Very handy. I love them both. You get a tray. Lately they've been coming with white trays. I kind of like the white trays better than the opaque ones. And it has a stopper on the end. It's a little stiff at first, but once you get it in and worked in and out a couple times, it really works well. It keeps, when you're lining up the drills, when you're shaking them a little bit to line them up, it keeps them from falling out the end, which they really, try to do on you. You also get washi tape that helps you keep the edges of the glued area clear. It also helps you line up the drills on the side. This is really pretty. I like this. It's neat. Pink flowers. Very neat washi tape. You can also use it, well, you can use it in your junk journals and scrapbooking kits as well. And I have used it many, many different ways on all that kind of stuff. So I love the washi tapes in here. And you get a cute cover minder. This one is a little piggy. Little piggy with what? A daisy? Oh, a pineapple. Little piggy with the pineapple. Very cute. Basically what a cover minder is it has a magnet that you put on the back of the canvas, and the one on top you pinch the plastic cover in between, so it keeps it out of the way while you're working. Cute, cute, cute. Now, alright, in order to get it back in right, I'll do it this way. Now, let's get into the canvas. Alright. Ooh. Ooh, let me roll it around the opposite way so you can get a really good look at it without all the wrinkles. The canvas is beautiful. It is flannelly on the back, but it's stiff enough to hold all the drills that you want it to. I do want to draw your attention to the pinked and poked edge. It's not serged. Serged means it would have thread wrapping all the way around the edge. It's cut with the decal edge scissors, like the pinking shears, and it's faux stitched, meaning it looks like it's stitched with the sewing machine, but it just has the holes and no thread in it. That is, that's so it doesn't fray. So it doesn't fray. It's very nicely done. This canvas will have 27 colors. I'll start, okay, the bottom is mostly the dark. You see on the bottom edge, you see a thumbnail and all the information that you need about the canvas, their social media, and their guarantee at the bottom. Just want to show you the bottom of the feathers. It has a lot of color blocking, but then it comes up into the colorful area. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 of the colors are going to be Aurora Borealis. They are the numbers at the top of the list, which are below the numbers 150, according to here. And it looks like there's a special one in here too. It starts with an E. It's at the very bottom. Don't know what that special is going to look like, so we shall see. At the top, look at this. Look at this. The face of this eagle. Wow. So strong, so fiery. Almost looks like a phoenix. Woo. Embrace Spirit. By Ravynne Phelan. Ravynne Phelan. You get in each kit a big sticker, which is one that you can put in your notebook with all the details that you need. You get all the little stickers that are individually cut that you can use to kit up. Each of them have a sequence number, your symbol number, and your DMC color number. And I'll show you how clear those symbols are. I've never had trouble with Diamond Art Club symbols and telling them apart. This is your booklet with some QR codes for additional discounts, a thank you note from Angie, the owner, lots of tips and tricks, and what you will find in the kit. Okay. Again, I apologize for the traffic noise on the outside. Wow. Ooh, it's so strong. The strength. I just love it. Look at the shine. Even the canvas has a sparkle to it and a shine. I love that about Diamond Art canvases. Now, each kit has the inventory number and the name of the kit, Embrace Spirit. I apologize for the crinkly noises you're going to hear as I show you the drills. Alrighty. Ooh, wow. Oop. There's an AB. I'll show you that one of the last. Try to find the 3 ABs ahead of time so I can show you where they go on the canvas. And that's an AB, of course. I'll try to find the special drill as well. Alright, here are the drills I want to show you. 2 of 741. 2 of 740. The bright orange fiery ones. And these are the purples and plums. Hoping you could see that well on this end. 2 of 336. 4 of 939. I believe that's the background number. Or maybe this one is 823. There's 4 of the 823s. We have the browns, oranges, and purples. There's a little bit of blue in there. And the ones that have just a little bit of color in them. Diamond Art Club arranges theirs not by number order, but by how many, from the least amount to the largest amount in a pack. That's how they arrange their strips. And that helps when you're kitting it up. Now I want to show you the Aurora Borealis drills. We'll move these to the end here. We have a white. We have a blue. And we have a sparkly, fiery orange yellow. And these are the E's. Now they're supposed to be a special drill. Now I'm thinking they're made slightly different than the other yellows. They're not quite as opaque. I'm wondering if these aren't like a glow-in-the-dark type of drill. I don't see any big difference in them other than they're not quite as opaque as the others, so I'm wondering. So let's find out where these go. Alright, number 1 is this fiery orange. Let's find out where the fiery orange... Oh, of course. They go all through his fiery mane. I see it above the eye. I see it coming down, all down through, around his beak, and down the feathers in here. That's where number 1 goes. Number 2 is the blue. Let's see where the fiery blues go. There's a few in the spots on the outside. There's a few in his eye. Let's see at the bottom. Yes. All over the bottom. It outlines all the feathers in the bottom half. And more of the stars on the outside. Okay. And number 3 is the white ABs. And they are in each of the stars. You see a lot of spots all the way around the outside. And it goes down around, outlining the eagle. Right around the outside. Eagle, or I'm not sure if it's an eagle or a phoenix. I can't tell the difference. But because of the fire, I'm inclined to think it's a phoenix. And now for the special ones. They are the square dots. Now that's this one. No, here, that's the yellow ones. That are the specialty ones. The ones, they're not in the bottom. They're in the top here. They are mixed in. They're the lightest of the colors here in the beak, across the crown, down the back here, and there's some of them in here. There's spots of them in here, but a lot of it's coming down the top, down the side here. Beautiful. It's going to be strong. I thought my son would like this with his other, I made him another eagle before. His nickname for me is Bear. I call him Bear a lot, but he also reminds me of an eagle. I don't know if you can change a totem animal, so to speak, but if you can, he went from a bear to an eagle, or some of each for me. But, yep, he's my eagle. This would be really nice for him. I look forward to giving it to him as a present one of these days. I'll let you know how it turns out. Thank you for joining me here at Wanda's Workbasket for all things creative and crafty with a little bit of inspiration mixed in. I thank you for joining us. Please join the Workbasket family. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. Click the little bell if you want to see more. I have other videos coming up on happy planners and decorating those. I have videos on art journals and creative journaling, that kind of thing, on counted cross stitch, on art journaling, and some inspirational videos as well. On Tuesday nights, join us for a live every Tuesday night from 10 p.m. to midnight or longer, depending on who's on. And that's Eastern Standard Time, so if you're across the world in Australia, that will be the next day on a Wednesday afternoon. Feel free to join us. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks, Divas. Bye.